Right, well, welcome everybody. I was on FaZe's stream yesterday, yeah. And they were going through all the tank games that they had. And they've announced another one. So, I didn't know whether to do this one or not. This one is a shoot 'em up. So anything with bullets. Anything with bullets. So it's a shoot 'em up. So don't do it. Don't do it. So yeah, I know it's simpler not to do it, but I think we have to do something. But I think what we need to do is, if we do it, is keep it simple, and not try and solve all world solutions in it. So I was just trying to. I was going to see what sort of shooter we might do. We can't use Myriad because we've already done that. Yeah, it would be unfair to submit Myriad. We've done Grid Runner, so we can't do that. Straight away. What other shooters I did? Oh, Scrambler. What else did I do? Anyway, so I was trying to look through. I was looking through all the different types of shoot 'em ups. Yeah. So if we go on here, I did that. I did that on the cassette 50, didn't I? It was called Peskypede or something. I did that already. And I thought it would be cheating if I sent that back. Yeah. So let's see, shoot them up C64 to try and see what type of shoot 'em up we could do. I mean, I did actually look through the cassette 50. What's all that? The cassette 50 stuff, trying to find a shoot 'em up. Oh, I can't do the. I just want to find the different shoot 'em ups. But I can't find the one that I was thinking. Was it? Was it? I don't know. What I was thinking, right? What I was thinking of, it was like a clipped. Oh, shut up. Oh, shoot 'em up movies. So, what I was thinking was something like this. Not like this. No, not like this. Oh, what was it called? Hang on. Was it this that I spotted? No, it wasn't that. Wasn't that. Well, so are you. I know it's a bit warm in here, mate. Well, that's straightforward, isn't it? Well, that's similar to Phoenix, isn't it? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Arcadia 2. Is that Arcadia 2? No. Space Invaders with asteroid style graphics. Ah, right, okay. But I thought Space Invaders might be a little bit... There's a Space Invaders one, isn't it? Rocks in space. God, yeah. We want to make it playable. That's like Myriad, isn't it? It's just it's got a rotating shit. I suppose it is asteroids like, isn't it? But I can't remember where it was now. I was hunting for it after Phaser's stream. What I was thinking of was like a Star Wars type shooter. Yeah? It's what I was thinking of. But not Star Wars. Yeah? Oh, I wish I'd linked it now. I mean, I did think of doing a Defender type, but that means doing scrolling. Oh, where was it? I basically wanted to do a simple game. Hey, Statbats. Yours would be Arcadia 2, a remake of Arcadia with a twist. Yeah, I did think about Arcadia as well. Did think about Arcadia. Because Arcadia is a very simple concept, right? God, net's running slow. So, see if I can try and explain what I was thinking about. So it'd be very similar to, say, Star Wars. That's not it, I don't think. No, that's not it. Well, that'd be simple to do, wouldn't it? Let's see what Stackbat centers. Oh, Ferrero Rocher. Is that a hint, mate? Is that a hint? Ferrero Rocher. Oh, come on. Right, let's have a look. Oh, I see. Okay. It's sort of a Space Invader-y type thing, isn't it? Anyway, so these are the three shoot 'em up types I've got, right? So we've got a defender type game, an aerial defense type game. So that'd be like, oh, what was it called? Where you had to shoot rockets at lasers coming down. Oh, I can't remember. Oh, Missile Command, that's the one. Yeah. Arcadia. Arcadia. I mean, this is a very simple concept, this is. Right? So basically, it's a timed level, yeah? So you've got different... That's for August. What about a helicopter game in a cave? Yes, that's August, isn't it? So, I mean, this is a very simple game. Concept. That's the word I'm looking for, because it would take me that long to finish it. It's because each level is timed, right? So the level keeps going. Or it's either you kill all the aliens, or the level keeps going. So this is arcade. So like I say, I've got Arcadia, aerial defense, which is Missile Command, defender type game, or I got the Star Wars type game. Hang on, but not Star Wars. But not Star Wars, yeah? So the concept would be very similar, yeah? So let me just stop it. The concept would be very similar, but instead of the sight moving around the screen, the sight would be fixed in the center, and then you would have to move the ship around the space to fire. So you have to get them in the center of your sight before you could fire, and do it that way. So you're just blasting any ship that comes. How about doing something and showing how you would go about it in real world coding, instead of winging it? What happened to the pull program? The pull program is still on. The pull program is still on, but I said I would not do the pull program on a Monday. So they're the things. Now my favourite, well, my top one is probably Arcadia, an Arcadia type game, because it's a simple concept. Ships at the bottom is allowed to move halfway up the screen. If you don't apply thrust, it falls back down. It shoots, and we've got a fixed number of bad guys that come down the screen, but there's a time limit, and once the time limit expires, the bad guys literally try and kill you. Yeah, that was my top one. I did think about Defender, but then I thought I've already done a sideways scrolling thing with Nico's Run. Do I need to do another one? But then again, the sideways scrolling stuff's already written. So I want to do a simple shooter, nothing, you know, too complicated. We think it through. We then structure it properly instead of winging it like I did with Tank and then getting all mixed up. And work out whether this was something else I was thinking of. Whether I do what I normally do and try and make it for different systems, so we have the game and then retrofit it for the other systems. Because if we do that, you see, then we can't use sprites because none of the other systems use sprites. Now I know Arcadia. I know Arcadia for the VIC-20 didn't use sprites. Oh, you mean do it on a Beeb? Do it on a Beeb. I suppose. I suppose we could do it on a Beeb. Because we haven't really done a game on a Beeb, have we? I mean, I went back to Myriad, and I mean, Myriad, I was quite surprised. I'd forgotten how far I'd got along with it. Let's get Myriad up. There we go. Oops, no, wrong one. It's the other one. It's that one. So, oops, no, is it Control Shift R? There we go. Control Shift R. Go away. Go away. So, except for the flashing, but I'm not too sure if the flashing is intentional, to be honest. I can't remember. But I suppose we could. I suppose we could make an Arcadia for this. I suppose we could. Because like I say, so this is the VIC-20 version, yeah? And if I pause it, right, the ship itself is moving pixel by pixel, right? The ship itself, if you watch it, it moves pixel by pixel. But everything else is all character based. These things move at characters.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello, who's followed? Say hello. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Because if I move this on... Oops. Hang on. How do I move it on frame? Is it this one? Here we go. So I'm moving it frame. Look, the bullets go up by the character, look. But it looks like it's two. Because it looks like there's a character with a close and then a character when it's far away, and the close far away, look, when it goes up, yeah, and that's exploding, yeah, but it's all character based, yeah, because even these aliens here, look, they move in characters. Look, that's moving just over, there you are, it's moved as a character. and then this is in between frames. It moves over another character. So all this lot is just character based. So we could, you know, make it character based, but we could also make it that the fact that a ship is pixel based, because this must be a soft sprite. And I think it's very similar to Myriad. I think the mechanics would be very similar to Myriad. Yeah, I think the so this is the sort of thing I was thinking of. And do something for the ST. Yeah, I mean, but I don't think I'll do it on. I don't think I'll do it on this one. So there's the choices. So what do you think? Should we go for we'll go with the BBC, yeah, because we've not done it before. And should we do an Arcadia clone, yeah? Eventually I will do it. I will work on a 6800 at 68,000 eventually. So I think we should. So we're going to do Arcadia on the Exactly, Derek. Exactly. See, this Arcadia game is the concept's very simple. Yeah, you know, it's just the ship mechanics, the bullet mechanics, and the alien mechanics. It doesn't matter how many aliens we've got, because all it is just alien mechanics, and we'll just add more aliens that have different mechanics when we've got time. So, right. So, let's put this down. So, we're going to do it on the Beeb. We're going to do it on the Beeb. And it's Arcadia. Arcadia type. Now, I played Arcadia as a kid, many hours. I never finished it. I never ever got past sort of level 5, I think it was. You think it was released on the Beeb? Let's have a look. So it was. Good old Highland Retro Game Lord. So it was. Cool, there's lots of colours on there, isn't there? hang on, how many colours is on there? 1, 2, 3. This has got to be. This has got to be mode. Because there's too many colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, 6. Yeah, it's going to have to be that 8 colour one, isn't it? So, we are going to do a beep game. So we're going to do a beep game. There's the URL for this video, so you can keep it as reference. So we're going to do a homage to Arcadia on the beep for the RPI system. Not RPI system, the RPI game jam. Right. So we need to start. We need to think. Need to think. Oh, some of those. Oh, there's bombs and bullets. Didn't realise that. I would have expected them to roll round the top. I would have and make it as impossible as the Vic is. Use the 650 tube processor. I'm not going to go into that sort of detail. We're going to try and make it as simple as possible. So I think this will be as simple as we can get it. Yeah. It's like the pyramid game on the ZX. Oh, I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Right, so that's what we're going to do, yeah? I presume that isn't a complete walkthrough. I presume that's not a complete walkthrough. Alright, I wonder if that's on the BBC archive. Right then. So we've got to relearn all the BBC stuff. I've got to relearn all the BBC stuff. Oh no. Oh no. Got to relearn all the BBC stuff. Right. So the first thing we need a sprite. The BBC Micro Model B. So we'll have to create all the. We've got to create the sprites and model the sprites. Hang on. Do we have a sprites? Do we have sprites here? We have that sprite library from this fella that we used. Is there a sprite editor for it? Yes, there is. The sprite editors, I think it's called Spriter. I think it's called Spriter. Hang on. There we go. Beebspriter. There we go. Beebspriter. Let's see if we can find it. Hey up. There's the source. No way. Oh, accessing accessing a place that we don't know. Oh, that's pretty old. Right, let's see if we can find something else. Beebspriter. 2020. Let's see if there's. There we go. This is the fella. Has it changed? Let's have a look. Now it's still version 0.03. Oh, the source code in there. Have I got the source code then? Oh yes, I have. I've got the source. Link. Link. There you go. Right, this is the source. I wonder if it'll run. Suspicious file detected. Come on. It's only because you first time you've seen it. Good news, the file looks safe. Thank you. Right, so there's the source look. So we're mode 5, yeah? New sprite. No, mode 5. No, it's not mode 5, is it? What's the multicolour one? 4, isn't it? 4? Go away. Oh, let's get me book out. Where's my book? Beeb user guide. Come on. reverse search? Oh, go away. Go away. I've forgotten what the screen modes are. Oh, here we go. It keeps moving that bed. 16 colours. Right, okay. So mode 2, 16 colours. Right. Mode 2. No. New sprite. That's better. Got 16. Yep, there it is. AVG cheat bugger. Hey, if it's free and it works, don't knock it. Right, so we've got the source for this. Nice. Hey D-Type, welcome. Whatever you do, please make a floppy version. You mean an SSD image? Is that what you mean? An SSD? Because that's what we build. Like with this one. There we go. There's the program. Where do we put the image? Ah, there it is. Comes out as an image. Right, so we are doing Arcadia for the BBC for this RPI Retro Pi Game Jam. How am I going to regret this? How am I going to regret this? Oh dear. So we have a sort of sprite thing. Hey Broton. Yeah, Arcadia, as in the VIC-20 Arcadia, but we're going to be doing it for the Beeb. We're going to try and see if we can do a Beeb version. Hence why I'm thinking, am I going to be regretting doing this? Because we're going to have to, yeah. Do I write, or do we use this sprite? Print hex, print character. Okay, that's print character. Pixel up, pixel down. This was abruptly ended on my end. See you. Okay. D-Time. Arcadia. Only of my... One of my very early faves. Yes. Yes. The VIC-21. But I think I never got past level 4, to be honest. I don't remember doing very well with it. But yeah. So to make this work, I was just wondering, how many bad guys are on the screen at any one time? How many bad guys were on the screen at any one time? Three. So there was 6, 9 there, wasn't there? There was 9. Oh, the ship's changed. Oh, that's the C64 version, isn't it? I'm looking at the C64 version. Yeah. It's the C64 version. We have got the... Well, I did have the Vic one. I did have the Vic one already open. Let's find a much recent one. Cool, none of them are any recent, are there? Oh, here you go. 11 months. Oh, adverts. There we go. That's the one I grew up with. That's the one. So how many bad guys was on that screen then? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there must have been more than that. Right, okay. So we need to define the size that we're going to make these characters. Because I'm just wondering, if they're on the Vic they're all the same height. But I can't remember. This guy's not doing very good, is he? This could be one of my videos, I reckon. Hey Saucy, welcome. Oh, he got done by the 1. That's normally my trick. Oh, he gave up, look. He gave up. What's he doing? Oh, he's cheating. He's cheating. I've already reverse engineered it, pal, so you're just cheating. Oh, I must be talking about it. But I've already reverse engineered it. I know what's going on here. I already worked that out, boy. Get with the program. So we'll go back to this one. Right, let's see. Are all the characters one character? For all the aliens, one character tall? Yeah, he said he was hacking it, wasn't he? So they're all one character tall. So are them. See, I'm just wondering. Whether we need to worry about. So they're one character tall, but too wide. I'm just wondering whether we need to worry about making sprites, but make user-defined characters. And then just redefine the characters on every level. Admittedly, you wouldn't get the colours. Cool, they move fast, don't they? They do. They really move quick. See, I've never seen these levels. I've never ever seen these levels. Yeah. Never seen. This guy knows how to play this game. How did he avoid those? How did he avoid? Right, that looks like it's recycled back. So it looks like they've got 10 levels, 10 different levels. Yeah, so that's level 2. That's the same as level 2. So all the aliens are one character tall. Some are 2 wide, and most of them are 1 wide. So I suppose we could use sprites and just make a decision how we're going to what size we're going to make the characters, and then stick with it. I think that's the thing. Yeah, that's this is it. It's just each layer mechanic, isn't it? And we know how to do it because we learned how to do it in Myriad. So we need to do some planning, right? Because if we're going to be doing sprites, we need to decide now how big those sprites are going to be and have them the same size no matter what for every alien, unless we make the sprite routine adjustable. That's going to be fun, isn't it? What's Beeb's resolution in 2? Well, 16 colours, so I reckon that's going to be what, 20? Is that 20 characters? Well, let's find out. Where's the Beeb? Where's the Beeb emulator? So 1, 2, so right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's 20 so it's 20 wide. So that means in resolution terms, I think that's 3. It's gonna be 1. I think it's 320 in black and white. Oh, does it say further down here? Hang on. Here we go. Here we go. Mode 2, 160 by 256. 20 characters by 32 rows. So mode 2 is 160 by 256, which is equivalent to 20 by 32. So what we're going to do, how many characters are we going to do? 2 characters wide? See, that's 2 characters wide. Why am I playing it on here? I've got it. Hang on. I've got it. Disassembled. I can be playing it myself. We could be slowing it down and looking. I think it's in the Patreon repo. There we go. Arcadia. Oh, what are you doing? The Git repo was found. Yeah, go away, go away. Am I already in the workspace? Yes, I am. Right. That does not look right. That does not look right. Why does that not look right? Oh, I bet these tags... Oh, yeah, they've changed, haven't they? These tags have changed, haven't they? Hang on. I need to figure out what the tags are. Settings. Extensions, kick. What they're called now. Let's get rid of that. Keep that. Emulator. 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 Debugger. Here we go. Well, it says that that's right. Let's try that again. Come on. Settings. Machine. Model. No expansion. So it's got no expansion. So this should run. Hey, Docster. No, this should run. I don't know why it's not running. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. We'll do F6 and then we'll just get it to load in. Right. Oh, it's all in funny order. Oh, that's great. All files. Show me all files. Oops, wrong one. Oh. Where did it put the source? I think it's this. I think it's this. How do I get to see the settings, guys and gals? I want to see the settings in JSON. Come on. What's the command? Kick assembler. See, the workspace, I don't think it's set. Well, it says it has. Oh, it says it has. Why is it not building? I mean, it's definitely building it, but where's he putting it? Oh, oh, I see where it's putting it. I see where it's putting it. Let's see if it's there. There it is. It's not running it. It is not running it. I didn't think Arcadia was an 8K game, was it? Oh, why is this not building? Why does it? Why is it not auto running? Why would it not be auto running? Come on, John, think. I did get this run. I did get this working. All right, never mind. Never mind. Have I got it anywhere else? I got it anywhere else? No, not in there. There it is. Right. We'll run it from there. Run it from there. Oh, you're jesting me. Arcadia was it 3.5 inch? 3.5? Oh, let's get some memory. Well, it's not that. Oh, this is annoying. Hang on. Documents. Retro games. Vic. Arcadia. That's not working for me. That's a shame. I wonder if it's the... What version is it? Oh, John, let's go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. I don't want that one. Let's go back. I want the other one. Files, program files. 3.4. That's what I want. 3.4. Is it bin? No, it's not. It's there. Xvic. Get rid of that. Right, let's see if it does it now. Oh, you are joking me. This used to work. Right, I'll have to figure it out. But it's not loading in any of them. I don't know why it's not loading in any of them. That's the one. See, it's not loading. Never mind. Never mind. I'll get it off. I'll get it working off stream. We'll have to. Oh, have I missed? Oh, Dale. Hello, Docster. F1 type settings, find the one. Right, okay. Was there a vid for setting up the Beeb in VSCode? Yes, there is. I don't know if I actually released them yet. can't remember if I've released them yet. Or they're still in the Patreon. No, here we go. Here we go. So it would have been this. Oh my god. It'd be in this set. It'd be in this set where we did the. So let's see if that. I wonder if it's that one. I wonder if it's that one. Yeah, that was the first cut. Yeah, that was the first cut because we couldn't get it working. But what you need is you need the template off the GitHub. Yeah? You need the template off the GitHub. So, where is it? My repos. You need this. You need that. So this is the template to get it working, yeah? So now the template's on this, right? The template's on this. So what you do, you highlight the program and you do Shift Control R and you get all these different options here. So kick build and launch the emulator, kick assemble the source. And we've also got BeebASM because we messed around with Beeb ASM as well, right? But these are the two you want because that should auto do it. Yeah, that auto does it. Because what it does, it uses this bat file that's in here, build disk. So it uses that and stuff like that. Right, so you need that template. So if you grab that GitHub template, that should have all the bits for you. So because it has all these tasks, it should have all these tasks in to allow you to get it built and stuff. So yeah, remember you have to do Control Shift R to get the custom tasks for this template. All right. Right, back. So I reckon we are 2 characters. 1, 2. If we stick it to 2 characters long. Now that looks like that's one character. That's one character. That's one. Oh. Have I finished it? Oh, it's only 58. It's only 58 seconds long. Didn't realise that. Hang on. Go back to that. Right, let's pause it and fast forward. How many how many sprites can be on a BBC? As many as you want, because they're all soft sprites. So they're ones. They are 2. So they are 2. Yeah, it's just CPU time, yeah. Ones. Ooh. Oh, that's moving a character at a time, but it's the animation of the character that makes it look like it's doing it one at a time. Right. One. That's level. And there's 2. Right, so we've got... Hang on, that looks 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 3.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Thanks for following. Say hello. He's moved his bed so I couldn't see him. He moved his bed so I couldn't see him. You're on about this tube, mate. Only because you've bought one. Only because you bought one. Right, that's 3 characters, that is. Now... if I play that, what is it? Just the animation? Right, let's go back. I didn't see it do 3. Did anybody see it do 3? Come on. I thought there was a 3rd one in there. Maybe there wasn't a 3. Maybe it was just a transition. There. Ah, there we go. It's the transition of the frame. Right. So it's not 3. Right. So the maximum... so it's a 2 wide by 1 tall character. Yeah? So in Spriter... we're creating a mode 2. And it's going to be 16 pixels wide by 8 tall. That's it. That's the fella. So let's do the first one, which was something like this. Like that. you just sent me a mode 5 16 by 16. Let's have a look. Oh, if this is the ship, mate, that's a different thing, isn't it? If it's the ship. If it's a different thing if it's the ship. Hang on, let's load it up. Yeah, the ship's a different thing, mate. Right, the ship's a different thing. Because the ship is actually bigger than anything else on there, isn't it? Look, the ship. Oh, well, the ship. I mean, that is sort of 2 wide by 1 tall. Oh, no, it'll be 3 tall with the flame on underneath. But I like your thinking. I like your thinking. But I mean, don't worry about as long as it's in mode 2. I mean, you could lose 4 at the top anyway, couldn't you? If we used this. But it's definitely 16 wide. I mean, the ship can be any dimension, to be honest. We just have to make sure that the soft sprite function can adjust. So what's changing on that? Oh, it's the thruster. It's the thruster that's changing on that. See, already we're getting stuff sent in. I ain't even started coding it yet. So we're looking at aliens at aliens are a maximum of 16 bits wide by 8 bits tall. Yeah. So that's what the aliens are. Right then. So we need to either figure out how that sprite system works or write our own. I think I know how it's done. Let's see how I do it on here. So we're looking for there we go. So not demo. Not that either. Or that. Here we go. So how have I implemented sprite image mapping? Accumulator is the character to place on the screen. X is the low. Y is the high. Okay. Right. Is these my functions? No, they're not. So this is the clear sprite. So what do we send in? Do we just send the get sprite image address? So the oh right, okay. So we're doing it by character. So we're looking. So we're myriad. it was a character based. John, what am I thinking? So then we convert that character into a memory address, and then we use that when we draw the sprite. Where's the drawing? Draw. That's here, because we get the image address here. Right, so we could use this library function and just tweak it for us. Right. So we need to create a new project. Let's create a new project. Shut that down. Keep that. Alright, new project. We'll stick it in there. No, we won't. Stick it in there. Right. New folder. VSCode. .bbc micro. RPI. Shoot them up. There's an acronym for shoot them up, isn't it? Is it SHUP? Oh, will it? Oh, SHMUP, right. SHMUP. And then we'll rename the directory once we've worked out what we're going to call it. Yes, right. So, how am I going to do this? If we use Myriad as a base point, that will help. Let's use Myriad as the base point. Cool, mate. I can hear your stomach from here. Yes, mate. They were for me as well. Right, so we're going to start deleting stuff, because all I've done is copied the Myriad across. So this is the Beeb stuff, so we don't need all that, but we are keeping, and I don't see it. Maybe I need to do that. Hang on. I don't see it. I'm missing some stuff. What am I missing? Lib. That's what I'm missing. Why can't I see lib? Oh, right. That's why I can't see it. I've copied it from the wrong place. Copied it from the wrong place.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Who's done the bits? There we go. Now we've got everything. There's lib. There it is. Now we've got everything. So I think we're already open. We'll see. Yes, it is. What's the demo? What's the demo? Oh, that's a point. Oh. Ah, right. Okay. Let you off. Let you off. Running the wrong one. It's that one I want to be running. BBC/demo doesn't exist. That works. So what was it complained about before? I bet this doesn't work. BBC/demo.asm. I don't know why it's looking for that. BBC. Oh, I see. I see. Right, I see. Okay. That should be in here. But this is what I've done. Yeah, that's what I've done. So we'll keep that in there. Right then. So we need to get rid of SP. Welcome. Welcome. Oh, I've got to give him his... Hey, buddy boy. His nose will go bonkers in a minute. There we go. Hey SB. Thank you for the bitties, by the way, Gary. I'm cutting it up right now. Here we go. Right.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Thank you, Docster. Oi, buddy boy. You smell them? You smell them? You smell them? He'll find them. There we go, he's got one of them. Once his nose kicks in. Right, so we're going to get rid of all this stuff, yeah? So we don't need... We need to keep that, because that's our That's our main file, yeah? We'll keep the sprite ASM because that's going to be all to do with sprite locations and stuff like that. So what we need to do is is there anything in here that we can oh, I suppose we could use all that lot as well. Not that. It's there, mate. You've pushed it over the edge. You pushed it over the edge, mate. He's pushed it over the edge, look. Go on, get up. Get up. Oh well. Right. So we don't need the well, we do need the aliens. But we'll use the matrix, not the matrix, Myriad's way of working. We'll use Steve Clark's way of working, right? So what that means is that the screen is just a representation of what we've got in the array, yeah? And then we'll use the array to drive everything, yeah? Like Steve did when he had the bad guy array, you know, and stuff like that. So that's what we'll do. So we'll keep the aliens and we'll keep the bullets because that's obvious. Constants, right. Well, we're only going to need the Beeb stuff for kickoff, so let's, I might just get rid of all this lot and just start fresh and just copy what we need. I'm keeping that because that's generic. That's generic. Right. So, so we got to think how we're going to try and structure this. So, how we're going to try and structure this? Because I don't want to do the same mistake as I did with Tank and not think about it. So we basically need to do what we've done with Myriad. So let me just wipe all the stuff out because I don't need. What I'll do is I'll keep the structure. Keep the structure. So for aliens we had the type and then an insert and then execute, yeah? So I'll just do this for 2 just to give us an idea. And then I'll get rid of the rest because we don't need it. Because that's just to give us the idea. Meteorites. Boxers, miners, cool, I didn't realise we had so much. Common functions. So they're things that we're going to use as well. It's all there. Have you ate it all already? Cool, mate. I didn't know you'd eaten it that fast. Well, this is from Uncle Docster. Yeah. Now you've moved. Now you're over there. No one can see you. Let's get you a big one. There you go. There we go. Cut it up for you. So you don't do what you did before that I had to edit out last week. There you go. Right. Yeah, so we'll get rid of all of that, but we'll keep the structure there. So this is what we're going to do for aliens. We're not going to have sound. Well, we will have sound effects. Bullets. They're going to be the same thing. So we've got create and execute. Collision, we'll leave that in. We'll leave that in. Initialized bullet array would need that. Find an empty slot would need that. Update will need that. Need draw. Don't need that. But we'd need that. So these are functions that I'm just reminding that we'll probably need, yeah? Because I'm trying to... Right. Constants. We only need the beebs. We only need the beebs. So let's get rid of everything bar the BBC. Oi! Don't need that. Vic 20. C64 pet. Oh, they're the characters. We'll work them out as we go along. We'll work them out as we go along. We'll keep these because we'll have the same sort of thing. We'll keep them definitely. Have we got a BBC version of that? Yes, we have. So we'll keep that. Don't have joystick. Number of this is going to be different for the Beeb because we're going to be 20 by 32. So number of rows will be 32, 19. So we'll get rid of all that and all that. Playable area. Yeah, we'll leave that in. Ship extremes. We'll leave that in. We don't need that. Oh, this is the bad guy array, so we'll need them. Game defaults. Oh, we'll get rid of all that. Get rid of all that. That's the colours, we're not bothered about that. B doesn't have colours because it has the colours in the sprite. We don't have a shield, so we're not going to do that. Not going to do power-ups either. Well, we might do if we have time. Right, so I'll just rem all that stuff out. So it's just basically just to give us an idea. I'll rem all that out later. Controls. Well, we should have a BBC. There we go. Capture keyboard. We don't have a joystick. Capture keyboard, and then we just keep the BBC stuff, which is all that, and get rid of all this. ZXPL and space. Rightio. Okay. We have got a bracket, either a bracket too many or not enough. That's a purple bracket which is there. That means we need another one. Right, I've got the, there we go. So the question is, even with the starting code base, will you complete the entry within the time frame? Well, all I'm doing is I'm just taking the common functions like the keyboard control, right? Because that's going to be the same. Yeah, the keyboard control. All we're going to be doing is going to be doing different things, like the elements. You know, if we take what we've learnt from Steve Clark, we should be able to do the same sort of thing that we've done with the elements, yeah? So, like IRQ, we're not going to use the IRQs. Is it going to be similar to Myriad? No, it's going to be Arcadia, but we're going to code it in the same methodology as Myriad. So, well, it's the array will be based. The array is basically, the array is where everything's on the screen, yeah. And then, if you remember, Myriad then converted what was in the bad guy array onto the screen. So because if you remember, the bad guys are animated. Now in Arcadia, they are definitely animated. Because when you watch it, you can see them change. Yeah. Yeah, a rough schedule for the next 7 weeks. That's what I'm trying to work out. I'm gonna tomorrow at pool. I'm gonna try and work out my schedule. Yeah, and what I'm gonna do. All I'm trying to do is just get the project started. So that's why I'm ripping out everything that's Commodore related and just leave the BBC in there. Yeah, like here. Because the screen size is going to be the same no matter what, yeah? But we'll just take everything else out that's not BBC related. Like that's BBC related there. Yeah. And this, the keys. But this is not, so we can get rid of all that. Oops, need that. With your boss also. Monday's out of bounds. To be honest, I did have a word. With her. I did complain about coming back from holiday and having meetings at 9 o'clock at night on the first day back. Right, let's get rid of everything that's not BBC related. So that's all that lot. Right, so that bracket at the end can go. Cool. Right. That's machine specific. Well, I think all this can go because there's no raster. The reset timers. Oh, the bullet timer. That's the myriad title, so we don't need to worry about that. Game over text. We don't need this. And we don't need the character set, so we'll get rid of those. Don't need those. Pesky constants, well, we don't need those. We'll need a scoring. We'll need scoring, so this will have to get rehashed. But we'll leave it there just for the sake of it. The ship. Sound effects. Now, I've not done sound effects on a BBC. Not done sound effects on the BBC, so that's going to be interesting. Because we didn't do sound effects when we was doing this on the Beeb. And storage, so the storage is going to be there. And then utils. That to be honest, half of this stuff we can go. We can't get rid of place character on the screen because that's got the, but we can. Old school coder's got to learn something. Why is my... Oh, I turned that function off, didn't I? Or has it crashed? Has my bot crashed? No, because it's still doing the chat window. Right, so I need to get rid of all this rubbish. Right, so let's see if we can get... Let's see if we can get the thing on the screen. Right, how do we do this? Let's see if we can get the ship on the screen. because we need to change the mode. Yeah, change the mode. Myriad. Where's the initialization stuff? Pet Beeb. Here we go. Utils clear screen. That's not there. What's up, buddy? Are you wanting to go out? Alright then. Alright guys, I'm just going to take him out and then we'll do another hour and then I'll call it. Right, let me just take him out. I'll start the game off for you. Right, right. So we need, right, let's get a file started up. Raided while dogging. Oh dear, that sounds so wrong. Raided while, no. Right, so let's put this on. Right, so for Arcadia, so this is Arcadia and we're going to do it for the BBC. So what we need to do, so first things first is make sure sprite library works. Then next thing would be code the ship system. No. Oh, yes, it has, doesn't it? It has an explosion at the end, doesn't it? Where are we? Yeah, see that? Those at the end of the bullet, it explodes, doesn't it? Yeah. Right. Code. Code the alien array like Myriad. Code the movement system. Oh yeah, they shoot back, don't they? They shoot back. Oh, why am I doing code the? timer system, leveling system. What else was there on there? Death. What else? Quickly, what else? Yes, definitely. So, resources. Right, so our alien sprites are 16 by 8 pixels. The ship sprites stat bats. Can we get it in a 16 by 8? Or do you need a bigger one? You can fit it in. Okay, right. 16 by 8. Now, oops. In Arcadia, when they die, they've got their own explosion. Yeah, they've got their own explosion. Because that was different to level 1. So when one of the aliens die, look, they've got these things here. Yeah. But when we went back to level 1, let's say we go back to level 1. There we go. There. Oops. There. It has its own... Looks like each alien has its own explosion animation. Yes, definitely, innit? Let's go to the next level. Alright, Fairlane, see you later. So we need alien explosion sprites. And these are all animated as well. Animated. And this is... I don't know. Did I extract the character set when I reverse engineered it? Hang on. I don't think I extracted the animation there. I think this is it there. This is all the sprites. Line 20. Unknown word. Yeah, well, tell me what it should be then. Animated. There we go. SP's on the case again.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw it. What I was trying to see was how many animations there were. So, let's see. Well, it looks like there's 2 for that one. Looks like there's 2 for that one. Right, let's go back to level 1. One, 2. Looks like there's 2 for that one. Yeah, there's 2 for that one. Yeah, I think there is 2. I think there's only 2 explosions sprites. I think you're right, there's only 2 explosion sites, so large and small. But it looks like yeah. So it looks like all the animations have only got 2, but I can't. The first. Right, let's pause that. Let's have a look. Let's just go through that slowly. I think that's got 3. I think that's got 3. This gap moves from there to middle to there. Because look, that's on the far side. This is roughly in the middle. This is on the other side. Yeah, I think that's got 3. Yeah, that's definitely 2. That is definitely 2. 1, 2. There's only 2 there. So we need to think about the animation as well. So yeah, so let's put this up at the top. Because we'll need an animation control system to control all the animation. So these are the things that we need. So bullets, with ship, aliens, what else? Font, I suppose. Font. Well, there's not much of a font there, but I suppose. Yeah, poor lad. It's very warm in here tonight. Very warm. Font. And sound effects. So if anybody's a BBC expert, might be able to help us out. Right. So that's the sort of thing that we're going to be needing. So I'm going to try and work out a schedule. I'm going to try and work out a schedule so we can do this in the 8 weeks. I think it's 8 weeks. 8 weeks. Is it a 4-week month this month? Or is it 5? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 weeks. 7 weeks. That's the end date there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 weeks to do this in. Right, so we've got 7 weeks to do this. So I'm going to try and work out a 7-week schedule, and also try and work out the structure of it. I'll try and work out the structure of it, and then chat about it on Wednesday if I do it. So can we Can we get the ship on the screen? That was the thing I was trying to. If we can get the ship on the screen, then we're away, aren't we? But I need to get it into the right screen mode. How do I do that? How do I get it into the right screen mode? Thought I might have had it in here. That's the game loop. Where's the instructions? Where's the instructions? How do I do the instructions? Right. That's the game restart. Print title. There we go. Let's go there. Oh, utils print title. Utils print title. Here we go, print title screen, here we go. That's right, that's set in mode 7, right, okay. So we need the other one which sets it to mode 5, that's there. Right, let's put that in here. Right, so if that puts that in there, then how did I... Right, we need to extract... We need to extract that ship, don't we? Where is it? Where is it? No. Right, file. Export settings. So how are we doing that? The role is the major. Export sprites at their defined rate, yeah. I suppose that's... Hang on, did I... Oh, export to Beeb. Here we go. Where we? We're in. Where did I put the last lot? There. Right. So. So we should have an Arcadia ship. And we've got an offset. Here we go. So offset is 40. Right. Where's my draw? Draw sprite. Where is it? Not that one. That one. Right, draw sprite. So I need to get the image address. Right, so image address. So if we load it in at a specific point, call this, what did I call it? Arcadia shit. Why is that not liking that? Is it because I've took all the constants out? I must have done. Let me find the constants again. Maybe it was in Myriad. Yes. You should start. Wrong way. Right, you should be found. Oh, that won't work. Because it's missing. You alright now? No? Oh, was it in? Oh, was it in the other constants? Machine's constant. Ah, oh, machine constants. Hang on. There we go. Now it's done it. Right. So if we loaded it in there, we should be able to set utils draw. So we need to work out. Let's go. No. Yeah, sound is limited on the Beeb. Right, so get the image. Now the get the image was just X and Y. X was low, Y was high. Right. So that's how that did it. Where's draw? So we've got that. Get the pixel address. Okay. Oh. Oh, here we go. X and Y. From this screen, right, from that screen. So we will fix night. I'm hoping to see if this will load, go on, but we'll see. So load LDY hash 100 LDX hash 100. That should get the pixel address. Hopefully that should draw the sprite. Right, we'll rem that out because we don't need it. What did I call it? Oh, sprites. Sprites. There we go. Right, let's see. Will this build? No, didn't think it would. He's trying to do demo again. What's it looking for? Where is that? Oh, storage. Line 70. Oh, 240. Here we go. Ah! I'm missing the start. That is what I'm missing. Nope. So it's not that then. Oh dear. Falling over at the first hurdle. Let me rem that out. I'm just wondering if it's that that's doing it. No. I'm going to have to look at this to try and figure out why it's not starting up. I don't know. That's the thing. That's what I'm not. Oh, let's do this. Maybe it's because of that. Maybe it's because of that. Got it in the wrong order. No, it's even worse, look. It's even worse. I mean, it should be just changing the screen mode. It should be just changing the screen mode. I have no idea why it's doing that. Right, let's get rid of that. And we will get rid of that. And that. Right, let's see if it builds. Nope, I don't know what's going on there. That should be going to the right place, which it seems to be. There. That should be just setting it to mode 5. Mode 5, yeah. And not do anything else. Let's get rid of all this. Right, we'll get rid of this. We'll cut it right down. So this should be doing mode 5. Now that is FFEE. So let's do this. And then we can get rid of that. and that. So we've got rid of everything but that. Hey! Mode 5. Right, let's reintroduce that. Yep, we're still cooking. Right, let's do that. So that's okay. Ah, right, so it has a problem when we import that. Oh, hello. That's why. Have we got a... That's why. Okay. Right, let's do this. I wonder if it's something to do with that. Let's do that. There we go. Oh, but it's still coming up with that run. Right, it's in the right place this time. And it's loading it up. Or is it loading it up? Well, that's interesting. It's not actually loading any... it's not actually loading this. This should be loaded in. For some reason it doesn't seem to be assembling that. import. I'm going to have a look at this, find out why. But it doesn't seem to be assembling that, bringing in that import. Hang on, let's... Where's my ad? Oh, is it in utils? That's in the right place. Right. Okay, there must be something I'm missing because it's not loading the code. It's not loading the code in. Yeah, it's not loading the code in. Why is it not loading the code? Must be something to do with this. Well, it's there. Okay. Let's no. It's not finding that. It's not finding that at all. Right, I'm gonna have to sort this. I'll have to sort this. No, it's not it's not loading this in. Right, so if I do this and put that there, it should be assembling what's in there, yeah? But it isn't. It's not even assembling it. In fact, right, let me delete that and see if that byte dump comes back. Yeah, right, here we go. So we can have a look now. Isn't ASM include? No, no, it's import. It's import for Kick-Ass. Right, let's see what's going on. Oh, that's what's going on. It's actually assembling it there. It's actually assembling it there. And the reason it's assembling it there is because of this. Right, let's do something about that. Right, let's do this. Let's swap it around. Right, do it again. Right, is it still doing it? Yeah, get pixel address. Right, it's assembling the... Yeah, it's assembling it right at the start. Why is it doing that? Oh, okay. Okay, it's that. It's that. Let's put that there. There we go. There we go. Right, we have something on the screen. I don't know what. Is there anything I need to do here? It's got to be something to do with size.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hello, whoever's followed, say hello. Don't be scared. We don't bite. Well, some of us don't. Right, draw. I wonder if it's this.
Hello, John here.
Oh.
Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oh, who? Hello, who's just followed? Hello. He was lurking but almost forgot to follow. No worries. Oh, I wonder if it's that. I wonder if it's that. Oh, right. Okay, hang on. Let's go back to Myriad. Oh. Oh, where's the cut? Where is it? Aha! Mode 2. Right. What size were these? What size were these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, right. Okay, it's an 8 by 8. And we are using a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 by 16. And also, this is not mode 5, it's mode... Oh, it's mode 5, isn't it? 4 colours. Right, so we need to change the mode. So let's change the mode as well. So mode 2. No, we was mode 5. Oh, right, okay, we was on the right one. We was on the right one. But I need to change the code in here. Because this, that's clear. Here we go, this putting it on is only doing 8 rows. So that needs to be 16. No, the ship's 16 by 16. Yeah, we're gonna have to make this sprite system a bit more. Yeah, the code was for 8x8. Yeah, the code was for 8x8. I'm just trying to see. Right. Yeah, this is only for an 8x8. So we'd have to change it to work with 16 by 16. I mean, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. Oh, it's almost there. It's almost there. Have I exported it wrong? Row is the major. Row is the major. Okay, row is the major. So when we spat it out, so it's right. Okay, the sprite is 4 bytes wide by 16. Right. so close. I don't know if I've exported it right or not. X is low, Y is high. X is low, Y is high. Yeah. It's so close. I'm just wondering if I've not exported it right. One, two, three. That's the first line. Oh, hang on. If it's 4 colours, that's 2 pixels, isn't it? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's 1 byte. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2 bytes. 2, 4, 6, 8. 3 bytes. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's right, but it's still 270. Oh, I'm gonna have to look at this offline. It's all to do with. I mean, I've got it right. I've got it right because it is definitely 4 characters per. For a 16 pixel sprite, it's 4 characters on 4 bytes on the screen, and then I'm adding 16. That has got to be in macros. Yeah, that's adding 16. Why am I adding 16? It's add I, isn't it? Add DC. Add DC. Here we go. That's the one, isn't it? Add DCI 16. So we're taking the address, which is temp screen low, and we are adding 1 to it. Add 279 to the screen address to move to the next character. Well, that's not right. Let's try that. No, that's not right. Bless you. So this is the place where we're going to put it on the screen. We do the first one, then 8. Oh, it's in it. Eight. Then 8. But this is where we're only adding 1. We're only adding 1 to it. Now, why would that be? Why would that be? Add 279 to the screen address to move to the next character. I would have expected to be Why does that work for the 8x8? Four characters to get down to the next line. But am I adding 4 characters to... Oh, hang on. Yeah, I am just wondering if I'm not adding enough. Because if this was 1, then maybe it's just 2. Maybe it's 2. Oh, not quite. I am actually wondering if I've exported it the wrong way around. Let's add 4. Okay. I'm just wondering if I've actually exported it the wrong way around. I'll reverse the I'll turn the export the wrong way, other way around. Nah. It's just made it worse. Let's just export this the other way around. So let's say column. Oh, linear, line by line. Let's try that. Right, let's see how that comes out. Well, it ain't that. Santa. I must be so it must be right. Row is the major, good for character block alignment. So I must be right doing it that way. It's just that my calculations don't seem to be working. Let's just do 1. If I do 1 row, I should end up with just black. Right, that's clear sprite. Sprite size in export. Yeah, this is just exporting sprites at the desired size. I suppose I could do an 8x8 and see if we can get part of a ship. Right, let's do an 8x8. So let's rem that out. And that's 8. Right, let's see if we get part of a ship. Oh, yeah, that didn't help, did it? Oh! Right, I'm gonna have to look at this. I'm gonna have to play with it offline because I'm not sure. I think I'm exporting it right. But I'm not sure about this. Right, I'm think I'm exporting it right, but I'm not too sure about this because each row is definitely 4 characters in the mode that we're using. It's 4 bytes. Yeah. Oh, hang on. Oh, John, you're an idiot. Right. Oh, I forgot to iron X, didn't I? Oh, forgot to iron X there. Smudge. 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 Oh. Exploded player, yeah. So this is right now. Let me just do 8. So it's only 8 rows. Don't need extra sprites, just yeah. I think I'm getting close. It does mean then that we might. That's not close. It's nowhere near close, John. It's supposed to look like that. I think that should be under there. I think that should be under there. and then that should be under that. It's putting them on in that order instead of going down. Maybe I have exported it wrong. Let's try it the other way. Let's try it the other way. Let's do it by column. No. No, it's definitely wrong, that one. So it's my maths that's failing me. My maths is failing me. I think it's something to do with this.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Thank you for following. Say hello. Don't be afraid. Can't be doing worse than I am. Well, that's definitely wrong. Hang on. Hang on. Right, let's right. Let's just put the first one on. One, two, three, four. That's a byte. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should then add. It should. I don't know what's going on. Because it's adding 1. Right, this is adding 1 to the screen low. Hi Steve, welcome. Welcome. Right. Come on John, think. 4 bytes across. Why am I doing it 8? Why am I doing it 8? see if we can see what it's doing. Right, that is definitely that. Then we've got another red dot there, but we've got the two there. Two red dots. I don't. Oh. That is. It's got it on its side. Hey, Sinlo. I think it's going on his side. I think that should be there. That should be underneath it. This two definitely. Go away. These two are this two here. Oh! Well, I'm going to try to if I can get if I can get this thing on. I'm just trying to figure out how to get this here. I've forgotten how to do it. I think the memory on the screen is byte by byte. I think it is. Yes, step one, get the sprite to display correctly. I just... Only oh, I can order it. Nice, 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 nice. I can order it. Right, let's try this. Let's try this out for size. Let's just draw a square so we can see what's going on. Right, export to Beeb. Right, let's run this again. Let's see how it looks. without any complexity. It's just a box. It's all it is. It's just a box. Right. Let's make it even less complicated and just have a line. Right. Right. Okay. So that's 4 bytes. Yeah. But we're going down 8. We're going down 8. So the top one is this one here. And then we're doing 8, which is then this line here. Let's make it even easier. Let's make it even easier. Right, so white, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, that should be a byte for each colour. Should be a byte for each colour. Right, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. So, what is going on here, John? We need that to go next to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So let's try this. And see what happens then. It's the same. Oh, is it? Hang on. I still had it open, didn't I? Right. Ugh. Well, that didn't help, did it? What does that do when we export it by column? No, that's not done it, has it? It's definitely it's. I'll try the linear line by line, just in case, because we haven't touched that one, have we? Oh, you are kidding me!
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Hey, Reg9K, hello. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Enjoying ASM? No, no. So close. Now, what went wrong there? That. Right, let's go back to Old Faithful. Oops. Right, how are we going to test this? Let's do this. So red there. Yellow there. White, white. Right. It's off by 1, isn't it? It's off by 1. Why is it off by 1? Right. Let's do this. See where it's going off by 1. Oh, hello. Put it back to 8. So this should only get the top half. That's right. That's right. So oh, I wonder. Oh. Right. I wonder if it's because we're 16 characters. This is not going to be the problem with, because we're 8 characters anyway. We've decided we're 8. Right, let's make this shit 8. Oh, can I change the... Can I rescale it? Oh, I can't rescale it, can I? Rats. Oh. Resize. 16:8. Oh, paste. Tell me to paste. Right. Select. Where's copy? Edit. Copy. Paste. Oh, come on. Paste. Selection. Paste. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's put that there. It won't. Stop it. Stop it. Resize. Oh, come on. Oh, that screwed it up. Come on. Stop. Stop. How do I stop it pasting? There. There. Right, resize. 16 by 8. That'll do. Right. So the problem being is now if we do 16, so we'll say branch if equal to sprite done.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
What a mess of C# code. Right, so if we hit 16, we're done. If we're 8, we're gonna go, but as soon as it hits 8, we're gonna add 279 and then go back to there. I think that is what we need to do. Oh, you're coding C#. I've been I've been trying to do the scheduler for the league. I've been trying to do the scheduling engine. Right, here we go. Come on. Oh, you geet. I only want it to do it once. That's all I want it to do, once. Trying to retrieve 1.2 terabytes of data you accidentally deleted. Alright, D-Type, see you later. Oh, so close. So close. Oh, I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. We're so close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then next line. Yeah, it's too far down. It's too far down. Let's do that again. Right, we're in the right place. We're in the right place. Just need to do -1. Well, to be honest, I'm not sure. I'm guessing. That. Oh, come on, John. No, making it worse, John. Making it worse. Let's put it back to what it was. Let's try and see if we can work it out. Right. To be honest, it is a line down too many. So it's a line down too many. Let me work this out again. So we have 160 pixels divided by 4 gives us the number of bytes across the screen. Times by 8 rows is 320, which is 4, but okay, divide by 8 times 7. 280. Let's try 280. It's not enough, is it? We'll get it to stop at 10. I want to see what's going on. Yeah, 279 is way too big. Unless, because I've put a $sign in there. Maybe it's not $sign. Let's try 279. Well, it's on the same line. That is definitely on the same, directly underneath. It just needs to go across. So we are 4 bytes out. That is 4 bytes out. If that's 4 bytes, then this is 4. Or is it more? No, it's definitely 4 bytes out. So let's try 283. That should push it over. Nope, it's actually added more. Oh, hang on. No. 4 times 8 is 32, isn't it? 279 plus 32. Well, that's 309. 311. Get in there. Right, let's see if we can get all 16 on. Come on. Oh, you are jesting me. Right, let's do 12. Come on. Right, that's definitely 10. Right, I'm gonna make it go up by 1 and see what happens. Because it should just go through there, and go back up. Oh, hang on. No, that should be right. Oh, look at that. Why is it adding 1 when I don't need to add 1? Yeah, we've got it to add it to make it drop to the next line on 8. Maybe that should be 7.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Docster.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Docster.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Hey, Ferrari, welcome. Ah, you got a sub. And Skaslin and Crate ID. Got all subs. Yeah, I don't know why this is jumping. Oh, getting the decompression working. On a Vic. Alright. I need help with this. Why are you not working? Because it isn't a C64. Yeah. Yeah. That is definitely 11. So why is it getting out of sync? Right, that is definitely 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it does 10, and then 11 it has a fit. 11 it has a fit. It's like it goes down, it's added one too many. Row counter, compare it with 11. Compare it with 8. If it's equal to 8, then we need to why is it added 1? It's like it's adding 2. Why would it be adding 2? Oh, there's a mistake. There's a mistake. Right. We'll use this one instead. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, I'm going to do this because I think there's some sort of carrying going on here. Oh, I can't do that either. Oh, I can. That's adding 2 because I bet the carry's set. That is weird. You set the carry, it goes wrong. Add with carry. But it doesn't clear the carry. That means it's adding the carry to it. I think that's what's happening. I think that's what's happening here. Because, yeah, I think that's what's happening there. It's adding the carry to it. Right. Let's do this. Add I. So it does the CAD add I, but we're doing O2. Add I. So we don't need to do them now. Right, okay. That looks right. Right, let's knock this up to 16. And the crowd goes wild. And the crowd goes wild. Right. Well, the thing is now, that's for 16x16. The 8 would be a lot easier. So it looks like we're going to have to create 2 sprite routines. One for dedicated to the ship, if we stick with the 16x16. And then the 16x8 for everything else. But yeah, we might even have to write an 8x8, I think. Might have to write an 8x8. But yeah, it's a lot of work just to get a sprite on the screen. But it's there. It is there. So I might just draw sprite. So 16x16 might do that. See if that still runs. Yeah. And it was all because of the carry. It was all because of the carry, because what was happening here was comparing it with 8, and of course if the number's higher than 8, the carry's set. And so it was adding, so when it came to doing it was adding 2. And that's why we started getting the missing lines. Ugh. Such small things. And look at this. Gone past midnight. Right, so we got a sprite on the screen. Given no hardware sprites on BBC as I read. Yeah. These can move on a pixel basis. Yes, that's true, because we can move them basically but pixel by pixel if we want that sort of granulation. Depends how fast we can get it running. I mean, Myriad was Myriad, if I've still got it open. I think I have. Is that Myriad? No. There we go. That's Myriad. That was moving character by character. This, can you see it's moving character by character. Now these sprites here, they're moving on the pixels. No, they're moving by the sprite, because that is the meteor and that's the small meteor. But they're moving character by character. But as you can see, because we've got no time, we've got no framing, we're drawing after the raster's gone past. And that's what the flashing is. So we need to figure out the timing as well. Alright then guys, we got the sprite on the screen, so we've got a sprite delivery system. Admittedly it's a 16x16, but next time what we'll do is we'll create a 16x8 sprite drawing routine based on the same philosophy, and we'll do an 8x8 as well. So we've got all the 3 to do that we can do. Alright guys, well thank you very much for joining me. Docster, thanks for the gift subs. and I will see you hopefully on Wednesday. Alright? And we'll get this thing continuing. Alright, take care guys. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.